These are just some detailed instructions on how the organizer can use the World Cup spreadsheet sweepstakes predictor. So typically speaking, hopefully you've sent out the emails, you've got all the spreadsheets back, and you should have two spreadsheets, the master file spreadsheet and the spreadsheets you receive back from the various participants. A couple of things to do first. First thing we'd recommend is just check whether someone has typed a name. The name is very important to differentiate the spreadsheets. If they haven't typed their name, just make sure you attach the correct name to the correct spreadsheet. Once you have done that, just scroll down and make sure that they've captured everything. And then what you need to do is you need to click in cell F10 and highlight all the way to J and copy all the way down to the final. At this stage you need to copy it and move to the master spreadsheet. The master spreadsheet, you'll see these yellow sheets have got all the players, player 1, 2, 3, etc. Each player has their own spreadsheet. So I'm going to use player 1. You need to come across here, click in T10, and this part's very important. You need to paste as values. Okay, so you can either do it that way or at this area here. Just check that everything has filled in, and again, importantly, the person's name will appear and it will appear here. With all the other spreadsheets received, you'll then use the different sheets to fill in their predictions. If you want to test out the spreadsheet and just make sure it's working, what you need to do is mimic the actual results. Now what you'll see is if you go to the very end of the spreadsheet, there's two more sheets, one called Actual Results Web and the other one's Knockout Web. The Actual Results Web is where the scores will appear when the tournament is playing. But for now, to test it, we need to insert scores here so that we can see that the spreadsheet's working. So what we'll do is a great function in Excel called rand between, and by using it, I'm going to get Excel to guess a score from 0 to 3. You'll see it chooses the number. I'm just going to put them all in here. Now we've got a whole bunch of scores. If you go back now to the players, you'll notice that because the actual scores have appeared, their guesses are grayed out. This changes to an A representing actual, and the actual score is shown there. And the yellow cells show you how many points that person has earned. The way the spreadsheet is set up, only once all the actual results have appeared, so there must be an A here, will the points start coming through for the knockout matches. So if you want to test the spreadsheet, you need to make sure that the actual results are complete. You have scores for all the matches, and a good way to do that is with the rand between function.